The opposition, we are looking at a march that seems to be also underway in the national capital just before the parliament proceedings begin. And Amit Shah Jawab Do, that seems to be the march that is now being led on part of the opposition. There you can spot Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi amid the opposition bloc that seem to be also participating. And restore full statehood, that means that the abrogation Article 370, that seems to be also one of the participants that we are now looking at as far as the protest that has now been taken out. There you can see these huge banners that has now been taken up by the opposition party leaders as they are once again registering their protest and insisting when it comes to the Home Minister who speaks in the House. Let's in the meantime get you this ground report from the Parliament. Mohit has filed on the opposition protest.
The opposition parties are marching from Prerna Sthal Gandhi statue towards Makardwar. You can see in these visuals Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Mallikarjun Kharge, Mahua Manji, MPs from Samajwadi Party, Ram Gopal Yadav and others. They are all marching towards Makardwar. Now they basically say that they want Home Minister Amit Shah to come in the House and speak on the issue of police brutality on the protesters on 20th of July. Also, the opposition is raising questions on the Chanda Chori allegations that have come forward, and you can see Rahul Gandhi holding a banner which says Amit Shah Jawab Do. So this is the march that the opposition parties are undertaking towards Makardwar, and opposition has made it clear that till the time Home Minister Amit Shah does not come to the Parliament or does not come to the House and speak about the issue, they will not allow Parliament to function. While the government has said that we are ready for debate and discussion, there are important bills that are lined up. The opposition should come out and speak on the bills. The opposition says unless and until Home Minister Amit Shah comes to the House, makes a statement, they will not allow Parliament to function. And you can see in these visuals Rahul Gandhi and the other MP Dharmendra Yadav, Sagarika Ghosh, all walking towards Makardwar. This is Mohit Bhatt reporting for Times Now.
Well, Pragya, opposition is ready conducting this march, and of course that sets a precedent exactly what's going to be expected in the Parliament today. And in the meantime, reactions that have been coming in, let's play them out exactly when it comes to the Congress and the opposition who are insisting that the Home Minister of the country gives an answer, gives a statement on what they have been labeling as police excesses during the Jantar Mantar march.
अपने जिम्मेदारी से भागने वाली, अपने जवाबदेही से भागने वाले अमित शाह जी सदन में हैं और देश की जनता का जवाब दे। लेकिन वो तो लुप्त भी हो गए, गुप्त भी हो गए। ये अलग बात है कि और राजनीतिक मंच जो कल भारतीय जनता पार्टी उसमें प्रकट भी हो गए। तो ये अमित शाह जी और प्रधानमंत्री जी बताएं कि देश से बड़ा क्या उनका राजनीतिक मंच है क्या?
Right, let's connect with Pragya. Pragya, if you can hear me, we're looking at this march that is being conducted on part of the opposition leaders and the opposition MPs towards Makardwar.
Well, absolutely. In fact, the opposition has two main issues today, Amita. In fact, the main is Ram Mandir temple donation embezzlement. And in fact, Samajwadi Party and Congress Party both have protested on this particular issue for past few days, and they are continuing with it until they get a response from the government. Secondly, they have also, protested today on the use of ethanol in petrol. The blending of ethanol in petrol. Thirdly, the opposition together has also demanded...
Live reaction coming in of Mallikarjun Kharge. We are just interrupting you, Pragya. The opposition, which is now readying itself as far as to take on the BJP-led government, but how is the BJP now in its own way raising this issue? Because we have seen the fireworks that have erupted in the Lok Sabha with the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister also hitting back at the opposition when the matter of Chanda Chori was raised. Pragya.
Absolutely, and in fact we are seeing the opposition how they are protesting on Makardwar every day, and they are making rakas inside the Parliament House as well. But we are also seeing how Congress is very persistent with the demand of that Mr. Amit Shah will come to the House to reply on the atrocities of that were committed on students. This is their main demand. Samajwadi Party is also demanding that. Apart from that, there are many issues today because this is the 7th anniversary of abrogation of Article 370. So NC along with Congress, along with NCP, all the opposition parties together, they are not saying anything right now about 370 abrogation, but they are demanding the statehood, which they say that this is a right. The government has promised that statehood will be given to Jammu and Kashmir, and the government should reply on that. And this is why another attack on Union Home Minister and the government today by the opposition. But it looks like the Makar Dwar has become, sort of jantar mantar for all MPs, Amita. They come here, they protest here on various issues. They go inside the parliament, in the house, and they protest there as well. It looks like the stalemate is not very, it's going to be a permanent feature for this session as well. We are not seeing any kind of consensus, reaching between the opposition party and the government here. The government is saying that you keep on changing goalposts. This is not done. You demanded, discussion on it. We gave you a bill also. We gave you stringent laws. But then you started demanding something else. This is not how government come under the pressure. And if you want to have a serious debate discussion, please engage with us. Please, discuss the most important bills like taxation bill, etc. that are coming. And we will also discuss whatever you want to. But we will not come under the blackmailing of the government saying that you want, sometime resignation, you want sometime statement from Union Home Minister. This looks like the regional politics being played out in the national capital here. Everyone knows the Uttar Pradesh government, Uttar Pradesh folks are nearing. The Samajwadi Party has become very aggressive. Congress has become very aggressive. And they have found a mudda. They have found an issue of, this particularly paper leaks and atrocities of students. And they're utilizing that to channelize their own support in the generation Gen Z base, the new youngsters who are going to be the voters. So this is a very concerning issue right now, and it looks like the opposition is capitalizing on it in this particular monsoon session.
Absolutely, because again, we are not looking at any business of the House being functioned, because the opposition and the continuous protest that begins at the moment when the House proceedings begin, and on part of the opposition, we are looking at these continuous protests despite the anti-paper leak bill having been passed. Let's listen into more reactions coming in.
अपना तो छात्र उनको पूछा नहीं, ज्ञान मत बांटे, अपना देखें, दूसरे के ऊपर ज्ञान मत बांटे। राहुल गांधी जैसा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण एलओपी भगवान न करे किसी फेज में हो।